Working, man. That's how you know they're working hard. They're working really hard. Skinhead on the right. Yeah, look at that dude's cut. What the heck? We've taken off the 2 front wheels. As you can see, got this bum working on it.
I'm working on the spark plug.
Yes, sir. And we've pressure washed the front of the truck here. It's looking a little bit better, still rusty, but most of the oil's, oh, was it oil on it?
Grease.
Grease, a lot of grease was on it. Yeah, so we got that off. Still looks like a piece of junk, but you know, it's looking good so far. Yeah, both sides washed. We took this, they took this strip off here. You can see all the dirt there. Yep. Not looking great.
Yeah.
But
So,
take a look inside here.
look it over here.
Yeah, what's up?
The strip has these little nails,
Mm-hmm.
and on the other side,
Look at that. Nice.
on the other side,
See if I can get in there.
whoa,
Where is it? Where is it? Point it out to me.
it's under there.
It's in there. Okay, we can
Yeah.
not really see it,
And
but
it's basically impossible to get them out.
yeah.
Okay, Trey, did you get that plug in?
No, I thought I did, but I was.
Got Justus over here.
Okay, yeah, actually get video ready now.
He's ready for the video.
Tell me when. I'm ready.
It's going on now.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, I'm putting this thingy winny in
Well,
here.
first, for the people that don't know anything, this is a carburetor. He's
Oh.
working on it.
He doesn't even know what this is, bro.
I know what it is.
This is a freaking engine right here.
Yeah, it's an engine.
No!
Calm down, guy. Anyways, yeah, he's working on that.
Alright, so we're gonna put some Comet bleach on these door panels.
Why are you doing it?
To clean them, and we're gonna sand them to get them ready for when we spray paint them. Yes.
What color are we spray painting them? Black?
Black.
Black, of course. Guys, we have a big surprise. Can't show it to you yet, but
Yeah, my truck came in. The best one in the lot.
yeah. We'll show it to you in the next video.
This first video.
What's that?
Alright. I said, is this still a
You
part
gonna
of the,
say something?
I said, is this still part of the first video?
No, I don't think so.
It also can sand. It doesn't have any steel wool, so I have to use this garbage.
And if you couldn't tell, this is the inside of the door, correct?
Yeah. The door panel. Very ugly color.
Yep. But it'll be looking good once we get it black. While he's doing this, not much anything exciting going on right now.
Meet back with you later.
Yeah, no, not later. We'll take a look at what Justus has done with the wheels, with the tires. First, he spray painted all the rims black, and we've got tire shine on the tires as well. New tires, used tires that we got. Very nice. All of it is all spray painted black, all the rims. Very nice. What else has been done, Trey? I haven't been, huh? The bench? Oh yeah, they took it out. They took out the bench, as you can see. Nothing in there. It's over here. Let me go over there. There's the bench. Pretty ratty. And you said you're gonna do what with it? Put a seat cover?
Yep.
All right. Sounds good.
Alright guys, as you can tell, this truck is gonna need a lot of work, and this is the end of the video.